Hello friends, so we are continuing from the demo we left off in our last video. The topic of this video is creating and formatting a hierarchical tree map. Anytime you want to color code of your data, you should be thinking of color scale. It's really it's really crowded one tree map. So it's showing fields by state and it's incredibly crowded. So let's try to clean up this using filter and along this way, let's also play between filters and drill downs. So what we are going to do first, I want to show you one more thing. If there is a category, I will simply drag and drop category to the details. You can see there is also a rectangle change. Like in England, three kind of categories there: technology, office supplies, and furniture. Because in here, England is the state in US. Similarly, state is California, obviously, and all these are states in the US only. So now what we are going to do, we are opening a filter pane, and here our filter is on category. We can see, and in state, in sum of sales, there are various filters. So if we click here, what it makes, it will on to drill down. I'm doing this. So by clicking here, drill down option is on here. And we can drill down into the states of that particular country. And this is the country USA. So let's do one more thing. With the city, we simply drag and drop city here in category. So now we have three level of hierarchy: country, city, and states. So if I am going to click here, you can see drill mode is open, and if we are clicking on any of the yes, if we are clicking anywhere, we can see the state, category, and sales. And by here, we can go to the drill up. We can go uh, one level up. So now it's a shaded area and it is used to drill down. Let's minimize it first. And if we click on any of the state here, what we are going to do, already familiar, that by clicking here, we are going to one level of hierarchy down, and by clicking here, we are going to one level of hierarchy up. So what we can see here, we are here at the city level. What we are going to do, we are going up here. So by going up, we can see uh, this is the country level. So we are at the top level of hierarchy, country level. If we are going to click down here, we can see there is a new filter is added here, country, which is talking about countries only, United States. So, and topic also change here of the title, sum of sales by country, city, state and category. If I'm going to click here one more time, there is no filter added. So it means we are at the last level of hierarchy, city, state. Now, if I'm going to drill up here, you can see countries also United States because we are talking about states. So we are here sum of sales, country, city and category. Now if I'm clicking one level up, you can see there is a filter is also removed from here. So this is how filtering and drilling down is related to each other. Okay. So now I am uh, turning off to it, and now we will go with this expand all level down. Yes, all down one level in hierarchy. So by clicking here, you can see there is no filter added in filter pane. So there is no more filters here. So this makes tree map is truly had to make sense of. So what we can see here, country United States and city is New York. Country is United States, city is Los Angeles and category is this and sales of this. So we can easily understand uh, that how much sales is there in particular category of a city of a country, city of a state or particular country. So let's get rid of city as well as state from state from group card. So you can see there is also, let's get rid of from here, and we are also removing category from here from details control, and we are now left by just sales by country. You can see title is also changing. Remember that we still have top 10 filter on this one, and that's why tree map looks exactly beautiful. We know beautiful and the way we were there in the starting of the exploration of the drilling down. We now turn our attention to color code our tree map based on sales. So we just minimize it. We just go to the format pane and we are going to color. We can see there are some advanced color options. So we click here and click color scale. And we if a window is pop up which is talking about format by, we are saying color scale or gradient and based on value. So we are talking about sales here because we were talking about sales only till now. So we will click summarization, click on sum of sales. Summarization function is sum, and let's what we will do. Should use red color for lowest value and green color here. So there is a nice color coding available here. See, there is a nice color coding schema for these rectangles. So at the top left we are having bright green, and at the bottom right we are having bright red. So this makes more optimal use of color coding, and we can easily differentiate and can make beautifully representable by help of color coding to our tree map, and it can make differentiate in multiple data. By shade of color we can understand this one is the has the maximum benefit, maximum profit, maximum sales, and this one has the least. And by the shade will reduce or increase, we can see that data is increase. This means sales is increasing or decreasing. Okay, this has a brighter shade, so it has less number of cells. It doesn't have brighter, so it has more cells. Even it has more cells than of France. So we can differentiate it by only colors. Now, what we'll do, we can make some more change. What we can do, we can go to the format pane again, and we just go to the colors. What we can do here, just click open here, and we are changing function here. We are talking about sum of sales. Now we will go with profit, and we see how things are changing. See, color scale now changing automatically. It's already brighter green on top left and brighter red on the top bottom right, but it's talking about sum of sales by country, the profit it's showing. So it is the so we can easily understand how we can format. It's showing different colors, okay, and it's showing different values. So Indonesia and Brazil are showing less number of sales in terms of profit, and United States is the only country which is having maximum numbers of sales and profit in all format. We are playing around with this data set. So how where we want to see different kind of data, how tree map is really useful, we can see this. Okay, we will even we can change various things around, and you can see how important it is. If it is tree map, if we are want to show variation in our data, variation in profit, variation in sales, variations in different cities in terms of profit. So shades of the tree map showing information about who has the maximum, who is the least one, and who has the mediocre values. So this is here I'm ending my demo, and I will continue my exploration in my next demo from here. Thank you. Thank you for watching.